This is at the top of the Kulen mountain. Kulen mountain was considered as holy mountain for Cambodian people, especially in Siem Reap, and it attracted local tourists and was holy spot for monk, hermit, and healer to meditate, to deal to the spirit of the mountain. And that's why people build the Buddha statue on the rock, the mountain. The rock is deep. For many thousand years ago, was a volcanic erupted, and lava flowed down. That's why we call the carpet rock, because far down. So today I bring, Alexa from the US to visit. If we take motorbikes, now she take picture of the Buddha. Alright, we would recommend anyone when you come to Phnom Kulen, not just come to take a swim in the waterfalls, pray to big sleeping Buddha, and see 1,000 linga, but you should take motorbike. That motor man, they know the way to visit Carpet, Rock Prekral, and the other resort all over the mountain. Recommended people, yes. Okay, today we got opportunity to take all the students from the United States America at University of Lynchburg. Lynchburg University come to visit Phnom Kulen, Lichi Mountain. Now we arrive, at the Prekral, mean the Carpet Rock, that many thousand years ago erupted, and lava flowed all around. Now it become rock. It's a nice spot. Would recommend anyone come to see. Okay, guys, say hi. This is a student from Lynchburg University, US America. They enjoy. They take motorbike all over here.